demonstrate the project for my advanced system programming subject from University of Windsor. My name is Jainam Shah, and today we will demonstrate the simple project in the C programming which is made for transferring the files between two individual machines. So now let's start the demonstration. Today we are connected with the two machines. First of all, my machine is Jainam Shah's new machine, which is a Linux machine which will act as a client. Whereas we have another machine. This is my friend's machine, whose name is Rija Kansaras, and it is also a Linux machine which will act as a server. So now let's start our project. First of all, we will set up our server. To set up our server, we will simply write message server file 8000. Now, currently server is in the listening mode. Now let's set up our client. Okay, so to set up our client, we have message client file and IP address followed by 8000 port number. For this, we have to know this from where this IP address has been generated. This IP address is of the server machines. Let me show you. So now, as you can see, we are on the Rija Kansaras machine, that is our server machines. Now let's check the IP address of this machine. So as you can see, the IP address of this machine completely matches with our servers, this IP address in this statement. So now you know that we are trying to connect with our server. For an instance, let me close this window and continue our project demonstration. So now I will try to run this file. Okay. So now to check if we are connected with our server, let's check the server activity. Yes, we got a client. This shows that we have connected to our server. Now we will try to send any message to the client. Hi. Okay, so we have got a message from the server that is hi. Now we will try to get the content of files of new.txt from server. Let me show you the file. So now we are at the server side and we want the content of these files, which is hello from CS family of Windsor, to be displayed to the client. So in general, we are asking server to get a file to a client. Let's try that. To get the file from the server, we will simply type get new.txt. Oh yes. Now we have got the contents of new.txt file to the client. So this concludes that we have been successful of file transferring within a server and client. This application is made in the C programming language. Let me show you some code of this project. So this is the code of our project. You can pause anytime and check the code of the project. This is client side.